Hi friends, good evening. How are you all? Hopefully, this year is coming to an end in a good manner for each and every one of you. And today, what is this? She's gonna cook, I thought, and she's sitting and talking. No, yes, I'm gonna talk about a small topic which is a very important topic which I felt, and I wanted to share it with all of you. Why I'm doing this video in English? Because I know a few of my subscribers don't understand Tamil, and if you I hope everybody will be able to understand it clearly when I say it in English. So what is this we are going to talk about? Going to talk about our year 2020. Why particularly in 2020? See, after all these years that we have gone through, I don't think any person would want to go back and remember 2020 at all. You might want to remember anything at all, but never 2020. But in that case, if you take 100% as an average, there is at least a 10% of people who might have gone through a little bit of good things in their life in this 2020. When we think about some negative things, let's say a kind of a negative or a not so good thing is happening in our family or to our own self, we always think, why is it happening? Who is the cause? What did I do wrong? What did I do? What happened? What went wrong? Who did this? Who did that? Everything. But we also might have gone through a little bit of something good in this year or in the past. We have never thought why this good thing happened to me, why this good thing came to me, why such a good situation came up to me like in my life, or something good happened in our family. We never thought why. We never found out the cause. We never even gave a thought of thinking about it. We just went through the flow, in the flow. But when when something bad happens alone, we start pondering. We start thinking about it. We start worrying about it. We start stressing about it. We are not alone stressing. Just because one person in the family is stressing, the whole family will be stressing. Okay? So why do a person do that? See, I'm not perfect. Just because I'm talking about it doesn't mean I'm perfect. Doesn't mean I don't think about it. Yes, I do think about it. That's why I'm talking about it. And yes, we all make mistakes. And the good thing about it is that we learn from it. And it's good that we learn from it, and the next time you don't make the same mistake. The only thing I want to tell you here is, in the coming year, you don't know what is kept in ahead of us, what is going to come in this 2021. Because when we entered 2020, we never thought about it. We never knew what is corona. We didn't know that we're going to go on a lockdown. We never knew that we're going to be sitting at home and working. We never knew that we're going to be running out of our own supplies. We never knew that we're going to stock up supplies. We didn't know anything, but we did go through it, right? And we're still strong. We're standing strong. So let's take this an example. And 2021 might be, it might hold up a lot of things. We don't know what is ahead. And the only thing that I'm trying to tell here is that anything might come up, anything might happen. You don't know. We we definitely don't know. That is life. If we know what is going to come ahead of us, we are not people. We are not mortal people. We must be gods or something. But life doesn't happen that way, right? So let's just enjoy each and every minute of it. Let's just have fun to the possiblest way, in a possiblest way, and also, most importantly, live your life. It can be good, it can be bad. We might go through a lot of things. We might have to, cross a lot of rivers and seas. and you don't know if that is what as God has kept for us in the in our way. We have to go through it, and you never know. Every Let's have all the possibilities that we can have. We can spread whatever you can do. You spread all the positivity around you, at least within your family. Try to stay positive, try to think positive, try to, you know, it's not that you don't have to think about negativity, but when a negativity comes in, don't just think about that negativity. You think about what can be done in a positive way for that negative situation. So that's how smart. So that's what I'm trying to say is this year that we are starting from tomorrow, let's stay positive. Let's stay happy, most importantly. Let's spread positivity and happiness as much as possible. It does not need to be monetary benefits, or it does not need to be monetary help. It can be a small hug or a smile, or something very minute that, you know, you never know, a person might need it. You never know. You go hug somebody today, you never know that that hug might help somebody today. You know, you go smile at somebody today, you never know, that smile might help that person a lot. So just do that and start this new year grand and joyful, happiness. Most importantly, stay safe. Don't start blaming. We cannot blame anybody in this situation. We need to be safer for our own oneself. If we want to be safe, we have to be, you know, precautious and stays away from crowd. Try not to. Yeah, you need to party. If you're party, you can stay inside and party in your home. Don't go get inside the crowd and get yourself into trouble. So just have fun. Hopefully this video brings up a little bit of happiness into your life for this new year. And I'm very happy that we are entering 2021. And with a joyful heart, I'm wishing you all a very happy new year. And I'm wishing you all a very good health and happiness. Take care. Bye bye.